Santorini is managing record crowds with a new 8,000 visitor-a-day cap and a peak season cruise tax. If you arrive without a plan, you'll spend your whole day standing in a queue. But today, I'm showing you the logistics no one tells you about. How to skip the 2-hour cable car lines, how to use the local bus hub for €2, and why the water is your best friend. This is your Santorini survival guide. Hello and welcome to Res World Travel. Santorini is a destination that consistently ranks as one of the most beautiful and photographed places on the entire planet. This beautiful island in the Aegean is world famous for its dramatic volcanic cliffs and those iconic whitewashed buildings that look like they've been sprinkled with snow. Fira is the vibrant capital. It's the beating heart of Santorini. Perched 400 meters above the sea, packed with lively markets and the island's main transportation hub, and a sunset so famous that thousands of people gather every single evening just to catch a glimpse. And then there's Oia. Known globally as the postcard village, Oia is where you'll find the most romantic alleys and the legendary blue-domed churches. But seeing these spots takes a bit of a strategy. So let's get into how you can actually navigate these crowds and see the best of Santorini. Old Port secret. Most cruise ships tender their passengers here to the Old Port. Look at the cliff. It's a long way up. Normally, you have 3 choices to get to the top: the cable car, the 588 stairs, or the donkeys. But here is the insider tip. If the cable car queue is massive and you aren't a fan of the steep walk or the donkey ride, look for the Fira to Oia cruise boat right here at the port. These fast boats take you directly from the water level to Amudi Bay at the base of Oia. It's the ultimate cheat code to bypass the Fira crowds entirely. The donkey reality. If you do decide to take the 588 caraveled steps, be prepared. You'll be sharing the path with these famous donkeys. The path is steep, slippery, and very smelly. My advice: only walk this if you have proper sneakers and you're looking for a serious workout. Otherwise, that boat transfer to Oia we just mentioned is your best friend. Cheap transport. Once you're at the top in Fira, don't get stuck in the tourist traps. Walk 5 minutes to this spot, the Fira Bus Terminal. This is the nerve centre of the island. For about €2, you can catch a bus to the beaches or back to Oia if you didn't take the boat. The schedules are still paper-based and taped to the window. It is cash only, so keep small change ready. Iconic Fira and Oia. Before you leave Fira, head to the Three Bells. It's the iconic blue dome shot you see on every postcard. Afterward, head north to Oia. Whether you arrived by boat or bus, Oia is where you'll find those narrow white alleys. The crowds here are intense, so move quickly and respect the private property signs. Locals are very strict about people climbing on roofs for photos now. Beach escape. When the midday heat in the cliffside towns becomes too much, it's time to head south. From the Fira Bus Terminal, you can hop on a local bus for a few euros and escape to the coast. Our first stop is Perissa Beach. This is famous for its striking black volcanic sand and a much more laid-back, authentic vibe. It's the perfect spot to find a seaside taverna for a quiet lunch. And trust me, the prices here are a massive relief compared to the Fira or Oia. Now, to get to the neighbouring beach of Kamari, you could take another bus back through the hub, but we decided on a much more scenic route. We took a small boat transfer right from the water's edge. It's a short, beautiful ride that saves you the land traffic and lets you see the massive Mesa Vono mountain from the sea. It's definitely the most refreshing way to travel between these two spots. Once you land in Kamari, you'll find a bustling pedestrian promenade lined with shops and cafes. While it shares that famous black sand with Perissa, Kamari has its own unique energy and is a great place to end your beach day. Santorini is a dream, but it requires a strategy. Always give yourself 90 minutes to get back down to the Old Port for your final tender. Whether you take the cable car down or walk the stairs, don't cut it close. If this guide helped you plan your trip, hit subscribe. See you in the Aegean.